Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a massage with the ears. The ears have many reflex points that correspond to different parts of our body, and by massaging them we can promote deep healing and deep relaxation. Hope that you enjoyed today, and without further ado, let us begin.
We are going to begin today by massaging the outer ear. This can help relieve headaches or earaches by stimulating pressure points that are thought to influence areas of the head, neck and jaw. We are also stimulating the lymphatic system, which aids in the removal of toxins from the body. This could contribute to clearer ears and potentially help with ear congestion. Some people believe the ear is a microsystem of the body, with nerves in the ear linked to nerve centers in the brain. This means that stimulating the ear can affect different parts of the body. Next, we are going to the top of the ear, and we're going to pinch, pull, and release. Keep repeating that movement. So pinch the top of the ear, pull on it, and release. This is the ear apex, known as HN6 or Jian. This point can help with migraines, earaches, tension headaches, swelling, and pain. Next, we're going to increase circulation and relaxation. This technique is great to do if you have stress, anxiety, or before you go to bed. With your fingers starting at the top of both ears, roll in and then move down the ear, rolling in the whole time. We're covering lots of different parts behind the ear and on the inside of the ear. This is a great technique to wind you down. So you're folding your ear inwards, starting from the top and working your way all the way down to the bottom of the ear. We're now going to help relieve congestion in the ears and in the eustachian tubes, as well as the sinuses. This will stimulate that area and really start to open it up. Cup your hands and you're going to tap outside your ears. This next technique will help to further increase lymphatic drainage as well as congestion, and will help clear you out and get you breathing better. I want you to take your thumb and put it inside the ear canal, and take your other hand with your thumb and second finger and hold onto your earlobe. Push slightly upwards in the ear canal with your thumb and pull down on the earlobe and release. Keep repeating this movement, so pushing up with your thumb into the ear canal and pulling down with your earlobe. We're now going to switch to the other ear. So the same movement, pushing up with your thumb into the ear canal and pulling down on your earlobe. This next massage technique is a great pick-me-up. It'll boost you and give you lots of energy. This is great to do when you wake up first thing in the morning, if you're not getting enough sleep or if you feel tired and run down. Take your index finger behind your ear, the third finger on the outside of the ear, and your fourth finger in front of your ear on your face, and rub up and down. This will really stimulate your sympathetic nervous system. It's also working many reflex points on the ear. This next technique, ear folding, is extremely powerful. We're going to stimulate behind the ears, the inside of the ears, and the part of the ear against the skull or temporal area. Take your ears and fold them over inwards. Then take your fingers and cover them, and then move them in little circles. You can change the circle direction, so you can go clockwise or anti-clockwise, and you can also change the speed of the circles, so you can move the circles fast or slow. Next, we're going to do a technique that is really great for sinus, tinnitus, and breathing problems. And it really helps to open the eustachian tubes. Grab the outside of your ears, pull outwards, and then pull back. And just to keep repeating that movement. Next, take your index fingers or your thumbs and put them in both ears. Push them in slightly and then release. You'll hear a popping sound. This move is great to recharge and stimulate our bodies. It's also really great to help clear the eustachian tubes. For our final move, we're going to massage the tragus, the fleshy part in front of the ear canal. It's believed massaging this point can regulate hunger and help treat digestive disturbances, as well as stimulating the vagus nerve, which may help treat migraines and other conditions.
Thank you for doing that ear massage with me, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. The ear has many reflex points on it that correspond to our body points, so I hope that you feel revitalized, and I was actually amazed how awake and great you feel after an ear massage. So thank you very much to the person who requested this video. I really enjoyed doing it. Hope you have a great day wherever you are, and I hope to see you in the next video, and have a lovely day. Bye for now.